So tonight we have this new participant with us. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Elena,
And you are from?
Bulgaria.
Okay, amazing. So why did you choose go out, be in?
Well, because I'm a fond of going outside, do outside outdoor activities, sports in general. So that's the reason why, the main reason.
Okay, that's amazing. And like so far in these 2 days, what does Gobi means for you, and like what it will mean for you in the future, in the few days that are coming?
Well, it's always in these type of youth exchanges, like, meeting new people, exchange some thoughts with them, maybe maintaining some friendships in future, and of course, going to new countries, which is interesting. Got to know to some new cultures and stuff. Yeah, that's it basically.
That sounds amazing. And all the people that you met so far, what do you think about them, like the organizers and the participants from the different countries? What do you think about like your feelings toward them?
Well, everything is amazing so far. The place we've been staying in, it's super cool, very romantic. Like the whole area is beautiful. The participants are also all very kind, included into the project, and I think they are giving the best from them and trying to participate fully, which is important for the whole project to go the way it should be.
Okay, that's amazing. And that was basically it. So thank you a lot for your
You're
time.
welcome.
You won't believe what I tell you. White coats and clever minds will choose. You get a lot from this. Loose tongue and arrogance. It's not appropriate. Don't think that this is it.
Okay, so we have Jurek with us. He's one of the organizers. Hello, good day for you, sir.
Good day.
How are you feeling?
Good.
Good, okay. Yeah, so you are from the organizers of Gobi. How did when the Seept or Globala told you about it first, what did you think? Like, was it good, or did you think that you could make it better?
I actually applied to SIP or to Globala because I wanted to do this kind of things, to work with young people and to do this kind of training, so youth exchange. So for me, it was a really good opportunity.
Okay, good. And what do you think about the people so far that are like working with you or the participants? How do you feel about them?
I feel good about them. I think we had a good start yesterday where everybody got to know each other better, and I had a feeling that we have a good group dynamics, and I'm really excited about the next day and how we're gonna continue with that, but I'm really happy.
So, and everything went like as you planned, the activities and the whole like the arrival of the newcomers or the participants. Nothing wrong happened, or?
Never ever everything goes like planned. But actually, usually during planning, I'm very nervous and try to avoid every kind of problem because I like this kind of security. But then when the process starts, I'm not nervous anymore because I'm just improvising, making it work. So there's always like some kind of changes and some kind of problems. But we managed very good so far, and I'm really happy with the team. We really work good together, and I really have a good feeling. I had past projects where it was sometimes harder, or the gears were stuck somewhere, but right now everything works together really well. So I'm happy.
That's good. I think that's it for now. So thank you a lot for your time and the interview.
Thank you too.
I know how you like to. No one can talk, no one can talk.
So I have with me now one of the Spanish participant in Gobi. So, what's your name?
I'm Gaspar and I'm come from Spain.
Okay, Jesper. Why did you choose Gobi?
I think like the project itself like proposed something really good, really interesting, with a good idea and a good like after meaning, like for joining all the people together and at the same time like learn about the Swedish culture and how like the way of like how Swedish people is and everything, and at the same time like learn new things about the different countries that are participating. So I think it's like the meaning that it has was it really attracted me. So I decided to participate here and also like I wanted to help. So yeah.
Okay, okay, that sounds really good actually. But like so far, you have been here for 2 days. What does Gobi means for you?
Right now, I think like it's a bit early to like to say it, but anyway, like I've met people like I could probably say like will stay in my life forever, like or people like really nice people. So I think like right now it's going really good. Activities are going really good. I think we are a great group too because like I believe like everybody's feeling good in like everybody gets feels involved and like everybody's feeling good about being part of the group. So
Okay.
I think it's nice. Yeah.
Okay, that's like really good and amazing. So you do like all the people who are like working here and participate from different countries. So you have like no comments about them. Is it like how do you feel towards them? You know?
Yeah, like people from the organization is like just incredible. Like they are making us to feel like if we are at home, like yeah, like we don't miss anything. Like everything we need, they can provide us it, and it's really awesome the work they are doing and the activities they organize are really cool. And I think everybody's having a good time, even them, the people from the organization. And also like as I said before about speaking about the participants, like there are people like are really nice and that I could say like they are my friends. Like I just know them for 2 days, but I feel like I know them for my entire life. So I think like if we go on like this for the rest of the days, maybe we can create like something that important, you know.
Yes, that sounds really like amazing and great. So and that was it for me. So thank you a lot for your time and have a good evening.
Thank you guys.
A longer sentence brings no more than one that I had said before. It's hard to compromise when I see through your eyes.